When love cools and interest fades, many men fall into desperation. They plead, chase, and humiliate themselves in the hope of winning back what once came freely. But the Stoic knows to beg for affection is to surrender one's dignity. No woman is drawn to weakness. True attraction is rekindled not through desperate gestures, but through strength of character and mastery over the self. If she has lost interest, the question is not how to bend her will, but how to restore your own. Here are 8 Stoic steps to regaining her interest. Without begging, without losing yourself, and without sacrificing inner peace. 1. Reclaim your composure. A man in panic repels. A man in calm presence attracts. Do not drown in overthinking or frantic messages. As Marcus Aurelius advised, you have power over your mind, not outside events. First, master your mind. Stand firm, breathe, and choose dignity over desperation. 2. Withdraw the pleas for attention. The more you chase, the further she runs. Begging communicates dependency, and dependency kills attraction. Step back, respect her distance. By refusing to beg, you silently declare, "My value is not diminished by your absence." 3. Return to your purpose. A man without direction becomes lost in the orbit of another. If you wish to reignite her interest, stop circling her like a planet. Return to your mission, your craft, your discipline, your path. Seneca reminds us, "He who is everywhere is nowhere." Anchor yourself in purpose, and she will see a man rooted in strength, not need. 4. Improve in silence. Words are cheap. Promises are lighter than smoke. What draws attention is transformation. Work on your body, sharpen your intellect, refine your habits. Become the man who no longer needs to convince, because his life already testifies to his worth. 5. Guard your self-respect. The greatest mistake is to trade dignity for the illusion of love. Never allow yourself to be treated as a beggar at the table of affection. Remember Epictetus, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Endure her doubts in silence while you build yourself. Respect yourself first. Only then can others respect you. 6. Limit your availability. Abundance breeds contempt, scarcity breeds value. If you are always present, always answering, always ready, you suffocate her curiosity. Create space. Be less reachable. Let her wonder. Interest is born in absence as much as in presence. 7. Lead with action, not emotion. Do not drown her with confessions of love or sorrow. Such rivers only flood her patience. Instead, let your steadiness speak. When she sees a man who neither collapses nor complains, but simply moves forward, she is reminded of what first drew her in, strength without noise. 8. Accept the outcome with equanimity. The final Stoic step is the hardest, acceptance. Even if she never returns, your dignity remains intact. The goal was never merely to win her back, but to restore yourself. If she is wise, she will be drawn again to your renewed strength. If not, you remain whole. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." Begging is neither right nor true. It is slavery. Freedom lies in detachment. Conclusion. To regain her interest, you must first regain your own center. Begging lowers a man, but strength raises him. The paradox is simple. When you stop chasing, when you stop pleading, when you stand in calm self-mastery, her curiosity returns. And if it does not, you are still victorious. For you have gained something greater than her affection. You have gained yourself. In the theater of love, do not act the beggar, act the Stoic, disciplined, dignified, and unmoved by fortune's whims.